Hey there, I'm making this quick video as a comparison between the Elgato 4K Pro with the Elgato 4K 60 Pro and MK2 and what are the main differences that you need to know. So a really important thing to know is that the 4K Pro is like the MK2 but with the HDMI 2.1 pass-through. So it really depends if you need this aspect. So if you're looking for HDMI 2.1, then it's going to be, this is the way to go with the 4K Pro. Also, there are going to be just little bit differences like a capture software, but otherwise it's mostly the same device. When I just looked on the specs between both of these, and I was just looking on the actually tech specs of both, and I just couldn't find much differences between these two. So just want to make this quick video for you. I was also researching what could be the difference there, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.